We're at the Olmsted County History Center in Rochester, Minnesota. They've got a work day planned here to turn this farm behind me into a battlefield for an event coming up in a few weeks. So I thought I'd make a video of it. Thought I'd, show you a little bit about what this place looks like on the outside around, and show you some of the things we're doing to get the battlefield ready. And then of course we'll follow up when the event comes up. So hope you'll enjoy this. So we've got some fencing going in and some breastworks. I think they've got 8 or 9 guns coming and a couple of mortars. So we're going to transform this farm into a battlefield.
From this end and pull all along them.
So we're way past the planning stage of this event. Now we're assembling. So today we spent the day getting everything ready that we're going to need on the battlefield. So our next day out here, we'll bring everything that we put together today out onto the field and then install it. Get it all ready. So I think we'll have probably 1 or 2 more work days out here. So I'll see you then.